Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to create high-fidelity prototypes in Figma. We'll start by understanding the core principles of high-fidelity design, ensuring your prototype looks and feels like a finished product. This approach helps gather precise user feedback, saving valuable development time and resources. We'll cover everything from basic setup to advanced interactions, making your designs truly come alive. First, design all your individual screens with meticulous detail, ensuring every element is pixel perfect. Leverage Figma's powerful component feature to create reusable UI elements like buttons, navigation bars, and input fields. This not only maintains design consistency across your prototype, but also significantly speeds up your workflow. Remember, a strong foundation in design is crucial for a successful high-fidelity prototype. Once the diagnostic scan is complete, understanding the data is vital. A healthy hybrid battery will display remarkably consistent voltage readings across all its modules, typically around 270 volts for the entire pack. In contrast, a degrading battery often shows noticeable voltage imbalances between individual cells. High internal resistance in any module is another red flag, indicating that particular cell is struggling to store and release energy efficiently. Finally, it's time to test and refine your high-fidelity prototype. Share your interactive design with potential users and observe their interactions closely. Pay attention to any points of confusion or areas where the user experience could be improved. Use the valuable feedback gathered to iterate on your design, making necessary adjustments to interactions, animations, or even the overall layout. This iterative process ensures a polished and effective final product.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.